Hi, I'm Lisa Simmons. I'm here today to attempt to do a galaxy pour. That isn't a pour technique, that's just the look that I'm going for. And I'm going to be using just 5 colors. I'm going to be using the Artist Loft Flow White, Artist Loft Mars Black, Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple, Liquitex Basics Primary Blue, and DecoArt Sizzling Pink, and that's a neon. None of my colors have any silicone in them. They're all mixed with a mixture of Floetrol and Elmer's glue all. And I will be spraying my cup with blaster silicone lubricant, and that's so the paint will release from my cup and I won't waste too much paint. So first of all, I'm going to spray my cup, and always spray away from your canvas because you don't want to get silicone on your canvas before you pour, or your paint won't stick to it. Okay, and after I put my paint in the cup, I'm going to be spreading a layer of black over my canvas to help the paint move. Probably going to use a lot of black to make sure I get that black night sky that I'm going for. I'm adding the hot pink because it's either go bold or go home. My vision has this as mostly black with just a hint of purple and blue and a little hint of white. I'm hoping that the pink and the blue will make a purple color. I really need to learn my color combinations. Some gloves on. Since I do have to go to work tomorrow and I don't want to have paint stuck in my fingernails. Okay. I'm going to be using my OXO omelet spatula to spread my black paint. If y'all don't have one of these, I gotta tell you, it is an awesome tool to have. It spreads better than anything I've used. I've used a regular spatula and a hair comb, and you know, those work okay, but look at this. I mean, that spreads like a dream. So I would highly suggest getting one of these. I found mine on eBay for, I think it was $9.99 with free shipping. They also sell them through Amazon, however, they were more expensive on Amazon, and I always go for best price and free delivery. Get as much black paint off of here. And I'm going to add a couple drops of silicone into my cup since my paints don't have it. And I'm going to give it a little swirl here. That stick is really pretty. Okay. here goes nothing. I need to get better at that fast flip. I just haven't mastered that yet. I'll let my cup sit there for a moment. I like to let the cup sit and everything drain out. Even though I do have the blaster in it, I still like everything to drain and then the cells start to pop up. I'm already seeing some cell action here. See, my cup's pretty empty. Sit here for a moment, see what happens before I get my torch out. Some of this paint touch up the side. I'm sure I'm going to be tipping more off, but I hate wasting paint. Let me grab my torch. I use a propane torch. It's a heavy duty. Heavy duty torch. Let's see what we got going here. Got a little bit of cell action there. Start to tip. So far, it's looking pretty good. I like the way that white looks like stars, galaxy. I've never done one of these, so just hoping for. Looks like what I'm getting. After this is all finished and dried, I'm probably going to paint in some stars and maybe a planet or two. I got my purple, I see. I need an edge catcher. I don't have one of those. Kind of got a little bit more white than I expected, but I'll work with it. Didn't get much of my pink showing up. That's okay. Try to pour off some more of that white. It's a little bit more than I wanted. I thought about doing this in a two-step process. Next time I try it, I might do that, where I do like a black background with just a little hint of white in it, and then do another pour on top of it after it's dry. Torch that again and see if I can have any more cells coming up. Try to get some of this black up. Some of this white. I don't know if that made it better or worse, but like I said, this is my first time and it's kind of an experiment. But I think I'll be able to work with this when it's dry. Kind of wondering if swiping will do anything. Okay, well, it's not quite what I was going for, but I think I'll be able to work with it when it's dry and fill in some of the spots. Okay, well, there you go. There's my galaxy floral. And I thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi, I'm back. After I finished this, I decided I just wasn't happy with it, and I decided I'm going to try to swipe it. I just have too much white here for what I'm envisioning this to be. So I added a couple drops of the pink, the blue, and the purple so that I wouldn't have just total black. And I'm going to swipe down to see if I can get rid of some of this white. So I'm going to put a band of black across here. And I have my wet paper towel. Lay it in here and I'm going to swipe down and see what I get. Hopefully it's something good. I'm just going to gently lay it in my paint. Gently swipe down. Well, I'm glad all the white is gone, but I'm so sure about color. I pretty much lost all my color here. This might be a total bust. Not really happy with this. Let's see. Put a little bit of color in back into it. Better. Okay. Alright. I think I made it worse, but anyway, I had to try. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, I changed my mind.